So question is, what is DevOps? Simply we can say development and operation teams working under same umbrella. If you look at the infinite loop picture of DevOps, then you can find various phases which is under DevOps: planning, coding, building, testing, release, deployment, operation and monitoring. And always there is a scope of improvement because it's an infinite loop. It's not just only intersection of development and operation, just like set theory or Venn diagram. You can see DevOps is intersection of development and operation. Here it makes infinite loop. It means depending upon feedback, one can plan once again, then coding will be changed, building, testing, release, deployment, operation, monitoring. All these are continuous process in DevOps. Various organization provides a number of tools as a platform of services. IBM is having its own platform as a services, cloud platform. Similarly, Accenture is having Adobe. Now, what is DBCS? DBCS is one of the important feature in DevOps, that is distributed version control system. It means if you want to change something in central repository, then you can change from local repository by cloning. In Git Bash, you can use push command to push your changes to the central repository. And what about CI/CD? CI/CD is continuous integration and continuous testing. One can use Jenkins and other available tools. For static code analysis, one can use SonarQube. So in static code analysis, it is not a runtime code analysis. It is just a scanning of the code and finding the issues. Suppose you have defined 10 issues to go to the next stage and there are 11 issues available, then your code will not go, next stage will not go, because parameter has been defined as 10. So there, as per your project scenario, you can define the parameter for the staging. So these are some of famous tools: Git, Git, Jenkins, SonarQube. A number of tools are available. If you want to select tool, you can check in DevOps periodic table, which is based on artificial intelligence, just like periodic table. So today that's all. Thank you for watching. In next session we will be discussing distributed version control system in detail.